All right, so just like we did for the E and the bottoms of things and the clear box earlier, when you're doing that back edge, it crisscrosses, right? So this corner right here is going to go to the left, or sorry, to the right. I'll use my T-square because my ruler is not long enough. Fix that. All right, canoe box done. Next is the seat inside. I should now hear another device. All right, so for the seat, it's going to be kind of like when you thought about the E, where you had to do like the 3 lines like in a row, okay? So when you're doing the seat, I'll use my T-square because it's longer. Okay. All right, I'm going to make the line start right from the left edge of the canoe. So right here. So that's the back of the seat. All right, just look up here. Don't draw it yet. Okay, this is the front edge of the seat. And then there's another third line that's like right below it, and that's the bottom corner. All right, so it's 1, 2, 3. And then I'm going to do another one here, like 1, 2, 3. So I'm just going to do that same setup. All right, so 1, 2, and then the third one right there, right below the second one. All right, so 1, 2, 3. Okay, now the way to like think about this is set up my ruler. This gets connected. I'm going to erase my extra. Okay. And then for the third, from the second to the third, it's just a straight up and down line. All right, and I will like mark this wrong, all right, because then otherwise it doesn't look like a seat. All right, so it's this goes to here, this is straight up and down. Okay, and that's how it makes it look like it's built into the canoe. I'll do the second one. This is to the point. This is straight up and down. Do you see that? You get it there? Okay. All right. And then for the back corner, right, just to show that there's like an interior, you're going to start at the back corner and you're just going to go straight down until like that line disappears. All right, and then it looks like it has some depth. All right, I'm going to end that for the canoe.